Kaunti ma Siaya nobago romo mag lamoro mar joket mwandu mawuok e gwenge nyaka e pinje ma oko dwe manyien. Romo no mabiro chako tarik 14 nyaka 17. Igeno ni bende ibiro yore gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kaka okang' mar jiwo dongruok. Jatend ODM Raila Odinga opuo chenro mar Ikruok ne romo no kendo kaka joket mwandu dhi chopo mar jiwo dongruok mar kaunti no ma Siaya.
We are moving strongly towards the achievement of that trade and investment conference. Courtesy our leader Raila Odinga, we secured the attendance of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, who is going to be presiding over the opening of the conference on the 16th.
So this is a very healthy development that I'm seeing happening in our counties, and this needs to be encouraged. See, Siaya has got great potentials. You see, you've got a big swamp there called the Yellow Swamp. You've got the lake. You've got potential ports in that area. So you can trade directly with Uganda. Uganda is just next door. Tanzania is also next door there. So there's opportunities for exchanges which will help to create wealth. Minerals are available in the area. Then now they plan to go nuclear.